Good evening, class.
Good evening.
I'm going to take the roll calls of the following students. Kennedy.
Present.
Naomi.
Present.
Juliet.
Present.
Marcus.
Present.
Gideon.
Present.
Okay. Today we are going to handle system development life cycle, and our main objective of this class is to be able to define what an SDL is, state the life cycle system development stages, and the main importance of an SDL in our life. So, at the end of this lesson, I believe all our students will be able to define what an system development life cycle is, the stages of an SDL, and finally, the importance of an SDL. Development life cycle. Who has an idea of what an SDL is? From our previous lesson, we learned about a system. Who can tell us what a system is? Kennedy? Who has an idea of what a system is? Because for us to work with, for us to learn a system development life cycle, we have to understand what a system is and to relate it directly to the SDL. So, as per the notes I gave you in the previous class, a system is a set of organizational components which interact in a given environment within a specific boundary. Anyone has an idea of what I said? Okay, back to SDL. An SDL is a structured process used to plan. It's a structured process used to plan, design, and implement a new system. Okay. Going forward, the phases of a system development life cycle, we have 5 main stages of developing an SDL. The initial stage, we have the planning stage. Who has an idea of any other stage 2? The planning stage. Who has an idea of stage 2? Design? Design stage. Before heading, yeah, amazing. The analysis stage. The analysis of the design phase. Stage 3, the design source. We have the design stage on stage 3. The design phase. Stage 4, we have implementation stage. The implementation phase. And finally, the maintenance. Who has an idea of what the planning phase entails of a system development life cycle?
Information gathering.
Amazing. Information gathering. This is where we Information gathered. Who else?
Problem statement.
Problem statement. Yeah, problem recognition and definition. So right here we have problem recognition and definition. So exactly the main reason of forming a system development life cycle in a vivid way, and so let's an example. Currently, the government introduced what system do we have in the school system? The 844 system is completely wiped out, isn't it?
Yes.
Currently, we have another system. What system is it called?
CBC.
The CBC.
CBC.
Oh yeah, CBC. Amazing. So the CBC, before the CBC was there, before removing the KCSEs and every other system, we have to go through the planning stage where the problem was recognized, and the problem was that the next system was not really that good, and that's why it was replaced with the what system is it again?
CBC.
CBC. So that is the planning phase. So the analysis phase, we actually have the analysis phase. This is where the system is now tested. A new system is after being recognized and defined, it is now tested for it to be designed. So testing is done here. Here under design, we now develop. This is the development stage. Development stage. So a good example of a new system is I love cars. So when automation, the use of AIs, we shifted from manual cars to automatic, then introduction of AI where we have self-driven cars. Self-driven cars were planned. They went through the analysis phase, then the design was implemented, and it was developed and implemented through an AI. Then implementation, then finally the maintenance. Maintenance is done just for the continuation of the system to be proper and good. So finally, I'm going to take you guys through the importance of an SDL. Any question, class? Who can tell us the importance of an SDL? Who has a clue on the importance of developing? Let's say an example from moving from the KCSE to the other system. Why is it important for a government or an institution like KSTVET to transition from the old system to the new system, to a new system? Any clue, class?
It creates that environment for everyone to adapt to the system.
Amazing. So, a good example. It helps. Come up again.
It helps everyone to adapt to the system.
Yeah. It helps. It helps users adapt to a new technology or system.
Yes.
Any other importance of a new system? It can help control costs. Provide reduce risk, and so much more. Class, I believe I'm gonna give you guys assignments, and your assignment will be, I need you guys to give me 3 newly developed SDL systems in Kenya, and write for me 5 more importance of an SDL. And then